Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following tutorial, I'm about to show you how to see other people's best friend list on Snapchat. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is follow the instruction as guided. So before getting started, make sure to update your application. And in case if you haven't updated the application, then all you have to do is head towards your Play Store. And then on the search box, type in Snapchat. And after that, you can see there is an update available. So all you have to do is simply tap on update. So in order to see other people's best friend list on Snapchat, so that is actually not possible. So earlier Snapchat had the feature of seeing other people's best friend list, but now it has been disabled or turned off. So now you'll not be able to see other people's best friend list on Snapchat. So what you can do is, instead of that, you can check their snap score. So in order to do that, all you have to do is simply tap on your Snapchat or open up your Snapchat application. So after you open up your Snapchat application, tap on the chat icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. So on the other page, there is a chat page. So all you have to do is simply tap on the Bitmoji or the username. So after you tap on their Bitmoji, on the other page you have their profile information. So you can see under their Bitmoji there is their snap score. So this particular number or the amount is actually their snap score. So that is how you can see snap score. So as I've already mentioned before, that there is no such way as seeing other people's best friend list on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.